Hello my friends, our recent video on the proof of funds for immigration to Canada sparkled a series of questions, so I decided to address a couple of them in here. The major question is, how long should I demonstrate my bank statements, my bank transactions for in order to satisfy immigration authorities? Answer is depends. It depends on which program you're applying for. Provincial nomination program, the province of New Brunswick, for example, they are requiring you to show your bank transactions for the last 6 months. Federal authorities, if you're applying through the express entry system, you're at the last stage where you received your invitation to apply. You would probably be asked to show your transactions for the last 3 months. So what should you do in case you are not able to do so? What if you got your necessary funds popped out of nowhere? Typically, well, as long as you could prove where money are coming from, you're on a safe side. Say, for example, you're selling your car. So you got a bill of sale, right, or receipt or any confirmation that the car has been sold, and at the same time, within, say, a couple of days, more or less the same amount of money is set into your account. Well, that could be explained. Another situation is you're selling your apartment, not your uncle's though, not your mother's or father's, okay? In that case, it could work as well. So you could prove it to the officers. You got virtually zero in your account for the last several months simply because it's not safe, it's not reliable in a place where you live to use the banks for daily needs, but at the same time, say you decided to sell your apartment and you got a bill of sale, you're able to prove where money are coming from. What is not acceptable is a situation when, say, you're claiming that your uncle or aunt giving you this money. That would not work, okay? Because that could be apprehended as a fact that you have actually borrowed this money from them and you would return them as soon as your visa is approved. That would not work. Well, I hope it addresses the questions or most of the questions which were asked. If you got more, feel free to ask them. By the way, during our course, we're actually discussing these questions as well and giving you examples of how to do and how not to do, provide those letters, explanations to officers, and what to show, what not to show whenever you're applying for immigration to Canada. Stay tuned with us, subscribe to the channel, and of course, subscribe to the course.